Welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose, and opportunity connect. In our last video, we discussed how Singapore is recruiting overseas nurses. Today is part 2, and I'll explain exactly how the Singapore Nursing Board, SNB, licensing works. If Singapore is your desired destination, this video will save you from confusion, scams, and wrong steps. What is SNB? The Singapore Nursing Board, SNB, is the official body that licenses nurses to work legally in Singapore. You cannot work as a nurse in Singapore without SNB approval. SNB does not accept walk-in applications from individuals alone. Everything is structured and employer-led. Important truth most people don't know. This is very important. You do not apply to SNB first by yourself. Instead, 1. You apply for a nursing job. 2. An employer reviews your profile. 3. The employer nominates you to SNB. 4. SNB assesses your qualification. This is where many nurses make mistakes or fall into scams. Basic requirements for SNB. To be considered for SNB assessment, you must have nursing qualification, diploma or degree, active nursing license from your home country, at least 1 to 2 years clinical experience. English proficiency, IELTS, may be requested by employer. Good standing with regulatory body. No serious disciplinary history. Different employers may request additional documents. SNB assessment and outcome. After employer submission, SNB may issue one of these outcomes. Full registration. You can work independently as a registered nurse. Conditional registration. You will work under supervision. Complete a supervised practice period. Then move to full registration. This is very common for overseas nurses, and completely normal. How long does SNB processing take? Employer review, 2 to 6 weeks. SNB assessment, 4 to 8 weeks. Job offer plus visa processing, varies. Overall timeline, 3 to 6 months on average. Anyone promising 2 weeks guaranteed is not genuine. Scam warning. Let me be very clear for your protection. 1. No one can sell SNB approval. 2. SNB does not communicate via WhatsApp. 3. You should never pay an agent for SNB. 4. There is no shortcut process. All legitimate recruitment is employer-led and transparent. Closing plus faith message. If Singapore is part of your journey, God will align the process, the employer, and the timing. Don't rush. Don't panic. Prepare properly. When God opens a door, walk through it in faith. Like, subscribe, and share to bless another nurse. God bless you.